Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you watched yesterday's video, then you know that I did a gingerbread recipe for cookies, and today I'm gonna be baking them and decorating them. Today is Vlogmas Day 24. It's Christmas Eve. It's holiday season. I'm probably gonna post this video tomorrow on Christmas. I'm probably gonna mush Vlogmas Day 24 and 25 together because it's already kind of late. I was busy all day. I'm probably gonna be busy tomorrow too, but I'm gonna get this video up because I love y'all. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, go watch that right now and write down the recipe. I left the recipe in the description box of all the things you'll need and measurements. Go check out my last video, click the description. It's a bomb recipe, super good. So today we're just gonna be decorating our cookies, obviously baking them, and opening presents at midnight. So let me tell y'all how literally after I stopped filming yesterday, my roof came off my house, as you can see. Right there. It worked so hard, and literally after I stopped pressing record yesterday, it fell to pieces. Ugh.
Hey, yo, wait, you did that.
Looks like a pumpkin.
Ornament. That's too cute.
This was leftover dough, so we made it into an ornament.
That is adorable.
Look at my cookies, though. Oh, look at all my gingerbread. It's a class of gingerbread, man.
Remote learning.
A class of ginger.
My snowman all lined up. My angels, my reindeer.
That one lonely cookie.
That's an ornament.
Oh, that's an ornament too.
Oh yeah, that ornament. I'm gonna have to put that on the tree.
So when you're done making your cookies, you put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. But you have to keep watching them because if they get too brown, they're burnt. Keep an eye on your cookies. Make sure they're nice and brown, and then take them out 8 to 10 minutes.
A few minutes later.
So our cookies are all cooled, and now we're going to decorate them. Yes. Yes. My 2 gingerbread men. My snowman. My Christmas tree. My black angel. My bleeding snowman. My reindeer. Snowflake. Oh, my other snowman that I did. Yes. Good night. Merry Christmas. Woo!
It's a game? Okay.
So it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, it's already Christmas and we're going to bed because we finished our cookies. I already told you I'm mushing Christmas and Christmas Eve together in this vlog. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. So it's Christmas Day. You know, with COVID and everything, it's not like previous Christmases. It's not a lot of people over, you know, it's just like immediate family. So we're just a chill day. You know, we did most of our festivities and stuff last night. Ate dinner, you know, had a little drink, whatever. And that's it. I wanted to do my reaction to my cookies on camera because I don't want y'all to think that I'm like fronting about my recipe being good. So I'm gonna eat my cookies on camera because I'm serious. If y'all didn't write that recipe down yet, what are you doing? I'm gonna eat an ugly cookie first because, you know, I have some of my like favorites I like work really hard on. So I'm gonna eat a little ugly one first. I'm gonna eat this ornament because this ornament not fire for real. So I'm gonna eat it. It's soft. It tastes the ginger and the cinnamon. I don't know about y'all, but like I like the cinnamon flavor more than the ginger flavor. So you definitely get the ginger flavor, but it's not overpowering, you know? So it's good. I'm telling you, I did that. Yep. I see why everybody was eating them all day.
Look at me.
Yeah, I was dogging these.
They are actually good.
What else? Oh, thank you. And the recipe that I made was for, like the measurements and stuff was for 24 cookies. We made 2 dozen cookies with that recipe and those measurements. So if you got, you know, a party to go to or you just want to eat cookies all day, that's a good recipe for you. And if not, you can always cut the measurements in half, I'm pretty sure. Or just Google recipe for gingerbread cookies for however many amount of people that you want. Like I said, we ain't doing much of nothing today. I'm just chilling. Probably play some games and drink up because we in the house. We ain't going nowhere. So Merry Christmas. Update, guys. I fixed my gingerbread house. Remember earlier in the video I said that my roof had fell off? Well, yeah, my mom fixed it for me. I don't know, I had to scrape off the icing that was already on the house and then I put more icing and then it stuck this time. My house is back and there's a tree in the backyard. It's just like great. Beautiful, beautiful. I worked so hard. I mean, some of the decorations came off when it fell off, but I got a front, a roof, and a back. So that's all that matters. And my little slanted Rockefeller Center tree over there. You know how I am. But that is the end of this vlog. That completes Vlogmas day 24 and 25. Does Vlogmas end after this? Like, I don't know. This is my first time doing Vlogmas. Like, does it end on Christmas Day? I don't know. I hope you guys are subscribed. I hope you guys liked this video and liked my little Vlogmas series. It's the first time I did Vlogmas. So if you still here, shout out to you for rocking with your girl all holiday season long. I hope you guys had a great holiday. So make sure you like, comment something nice, and subscribe. Hit the bell for post notifications because your girl will still be uploading. See you in my next vlog.